In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link one frame to another in Chrome. If you want to make your prototype or design more interactive, linking an object to a specific destination frame is a quick and useful technique. This is especially helpful when you want buttons, images, cards, or other elements on your canvas to lead viewers to another screen or section of your project. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do that in a simple and reliable way. To begin, go to the destination frame you want to link to. This is the frame that should open when someone clicks the object later. Once you've found it, right-click directly on that frame in Chrome and choose Copy Link. This copies the frame's unique link, which you'll use in the next step. Be careful to copy the correct destination, because this link determines where your object will send users. Next, return to your canvas and select the source object. This is the element that people will actually interact with, such as a button, text label, shape, or image. Make sure you click the exact object you want to turn into a link. If the wrong item is selected, the link will be applied to that element instead. With the source object selected, open its menu and click the three dots. From that menu, choose Link To. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl+K on Windows or CMD+K on Mac. Either option will open the linking field and let you assign a destination. Now paste the link you copied from the destination frame into the field. Take a quick second to check that the full link has been pasted correctly. If anything is missing or altered, the link may not work as expected. Once everything looks right, click Confirm to apply the link. At this point, your source object should now be connected to the destination frame. That means when someone interacts with that object, they'll be directed to the frame you selected earlier. This is a simple workflow, but it can make navigation inside your project much smoother and more intuitive. As a final tip, it's always a good idea to test the link after setting it up. Click through it yourself and make sure it goes to the intended frame. If it doesn't, just repeat the process and confirm that you copied the correct link and attached it to the correct object. And that's how to link an object